Anything that has space, volume, and mass is defined as matter. Under this classification fall the massive objects like galaxies and planets, and small objects like sand and water drops. Plants and animals, even the humans, are no exception. Matter, and by its nature, is composed of atoms. An atom, by its side, is composed of nucleus and particles orbiting around it. The nucleus is composed of two main particles called protons and neutrons. The particles which are orbiting around the atom's nucleus are known as electrons. Early atom hypothesis attempted to determine the nature of the atom, as one of these hypotheses compared the atom to a watermelon, with the black seeds representing electrons. Others tried associating the electrons' movement around the nucleus to the planets moving around the sun, which later became known as Bohr model. The most precise theory was offered by quantum mechanics, which considered the electrons to be just like a cloud surrounding the nucleus. As previously stated, the atom is made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and electrons both have an electric property, represented by the electric charge. However, neutrons do not. Protons are positively charged, and electrons are negatively charged. While neutrons have no charge, naturally, the number of protons in an atom equals the number of electrons, and that leads the positive and negative charges canceling each other, resulting in an atom with no charge. Or, in other words, a stable atom. The electrons, unlike the protons and the neutrons, have the ability to mobile, as they are orbiting around the atom's nucleus. This gives the electrons the advantage to travel from atom to another, leading by that to atoms denaturizing. If the electrons leave the atom, then the atom will be positively charged, as the number of protons and hence positive charges will be greater than the number of electrons. However, if the electrons are migrating to the atom, then the atom will be negatively charged, as the number of electrons and hence the negative charges will be more than the number of protons. When the atom gets denaturized, positively or negatively charged, an electric field is generated, but that will be discussed in the next episode. So ensure that you're subscribed and click the bell icon. Please help us by liking, commenting, and sharing. This encourages us to deliver more. Wait for the next video on the Electricity and Magnetism channel, and we'll see you next week.